Okay, I'm gonna show you um, the latching mechanism, how it works on our cables using Lenovo X200, which is a slimline notebook. This is a Cat6 cables. You press it in, and when you take it out, you need to press this thing all the way and take it out. Right? So let me just put this in port here. It's hard to do it with one hand. I'll just push this in and latch. Sorry. There you go. It latched in. Here, it's latched in. So when you're taking out, we need to press this, otherwise this will drag. It's locked in. So to take it out, make sure this latch is pushed in, and then you can take it out. It's locked so that you don't lose the internet connection. That's how this latch is working. So key is that if you use two hands, it's pretty simple to do it. One hand is a little hard to do, but again, I'll try it once more. Push it in, take it out. Here's the latch. Let me focus on the latch. Make sure it's in.